Hello, Facebook family, and welcome to Birdsongs. I'm going to take you on a virtual tour of Birdsongs. We have jackets in the window here. Got a Michelle Obama purses up top. Kente dresses for the girls and skirts. Kente dashikis, more skirts. Our mother and daughter sets. Caftans. More Michelle Obama purses up top. All of our wrap dresses. Our palazzo pants, which are very nice. All of our soaps and moisturizers. Raw black soap bars. Huge selection of soaps to choose from. Organic soaps. Mudcloth robes. Mudcloth long full-length jackets. Mudcloth pants. Some of our best sellers in oils. More jackets. Dashiki jackets. Dashiki purses. Mudcloth hoodies. Mudcloth dashikis. Shea butter, white and yellow, cocoa butter. We have our sage bundles, small and large. Our incense that we make here with 100 sticks, hand dipped incense. Of course, the world's best incense, wild berry. Clear quartz crystals. All of our essential oils, lavender and rosemary and sage, eucalyptus and peppermint. We have our fragrance lamps at the bottom here. Any of our oils you can burn. We have our unscented lotion, shower gel, body butter. We have over 600 fragrances and body oils, so you can actually custom blend your lotions and shower gels and body butter to smell exactly how you want them to smell. You can also get larger bottles of the oils as well. Taking you on the men's side here. 3-piece sets for men. Top, pants, and hat. Dashikis, the elastic dashikis for women. Kente t-shirts. Kente purses up top there. Black Panther dashikis for men. Those are our king size dashikis in the back there. The dashiki blazers, small kente t-shirts for children. High-low dresses for the women. Other fitted dresses here. And lots of skirts. Lots of elastic maxi skirts for women. Got more head wraps over there. Lots of jewelry. Woven sashes at the bottom there. Jewelry sets. Ties and bow ties. Kente hats for men, women. More jewelry. And that's it. As you can see, we have a very huge selection for Black History Month. We would love to service you. 2216 North MLK Drive, 1022 West Mitchell Street. Stop on in and come and see what we have here. Thank you very much.